Friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and once you are subscribed, please do not forget to hit the bell icon to get my next video updates almost instantly. Thank you. So welcome friends. Our today's webinar topic is Heikin Ashi. So in this webinar I will show you how you can use Heikin Ashi candlesticks, and it will be a secret way for trend analysis for you. So you can do a trend analysis, a noise free trend analysis with the help of Heikin Ashi candles. So but before I start, those who don't know me, my name is Indrajit Mukherjee. I have founded stockmaniacs.net. So you can visit me in my website www.stockmaniacs.net. So let us start the webinar. So the first question that comes to our mind is, what is Heikin Ashi? The Japanese word Heikin Ashi means average speed. So the Heikin Ashi pattern reflects the average status of the market speed, and it is a modified candlestick pattern. Heikin Ashi candles OHLC information, OHLC means open, high, low, close information, is based on previous calculation. So let us go to the chart. I have done this kind of video previously also. So this is a normal candlestick chart. Just now the market has closed, and today the market has fallen a lot. Today was the expiry of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So the market has fallen a lot. So now you can see in the normal candlesticks there are some red candles, then green candles, red, green and so on. So there are many green candles. We can understand that the base market has fallen. So we are seeing that the market has fallen. Where market has started, market has ended at the bottommost point. So but in between this downtrend, there also are some candles which are green candles. So these green candles can actually put a whipsaw on the trader's chart. So Heikin Ashi can minimize this kind of whipsaw. This kind of noise can be minimized by Heikin Ashi. So we can select display and select Heikin Ashi to put a Heikin Ashi candle. So if I go with a normal candle, you can see here in this trend there are many green candles in between the red candles. But if we put a Heikin Ashi candle, you can see all are almost red candles. So you can see the noise has been filtered a bit. In some cases you will see that the noise will be filtered a lot. So this is how you can use the Heikin Ashi candles to filter the noise. So as we understood that the Heikin Ashi candles OHLC information is based on previous calculation, and it is not a normal candlestick, it is a modified type of candlestick pattern. So features of Heikin Ashi: red color candle indicates the selling pressure is higher. So we have already seen. On the other side, the green color candle shows buyer demands is higher here. If the red candle appears with no shadow on the top, it means the market is going down soon, and vice versa. So if there is a red candle with no shadow on the top, it means the market is going down with heavy selling pressure. Similarly, if we get a green candle with no shadow on the bottom, it means the market is going up with heavy buying pressure. Similarly, green candlestick with no shadow at the bottom shows the price is above the average than yesterday, and vice versa. So green candlestick with no shadow at the bottom shows that the price is above the average price of the last candle, and red candle with no shadow on the top shows that the price is below the average price of the last candle. In Heikin Ashi there are two types of candlesticks. One is doji and the other is spinning top candle. So You can see this is a red candle with no upper shadow. So that means that the market is going down soon with heavy selling pressure. And consecutive this kind of candles shows that the market is in strong bear grip. Whenever you are seeing that you are getting Heikin Ashi candles with no shadow on the top, red Heikin Ashi candles with no shadow on the top, that means that the market is going down with strong selling pressure. And vice versa for a green candle with no shadow with a bottom. So that is the thing. So here green candle with no shadow at the bottom, if we get it frequently, that means that the market is in strong bull grip. So the application of Heikin Ashi, how you can use the Heikin Ashi. So you can use Heikin Ashi along with other indicators and it will be more effective. For example, I place super trend indicator with Heikin Ashi. So I'll show you how you can use super trend indicator with Heikin Ashi and you can filter out noise a lot. So I'll show you the example. This is a normal Heikin Ashi candle. This is a 15 minutes candle. So in the 15 minutes candle I'll apply super trend. So that is a 7-3 super trend. You can also make changes to the super trend setting, like you can make 10-3 in the super trend. So this is how you can change the settings in the super trend, and you can find that Heikin Ashi with super trend is a deadly combo. You can see that we have got a sell signal on 19th of August and today is 22nd of August. So within 3 days flat, wherever we have got the sell signal, it was 11,055 level and today is 10,740 level. So it is a fall of 415 points. 415 points, can you imagine the 415 points Nifty has fallen? So per lot, if you have traded it positionally, per lot you can make good amount of money. So 415 points into Nifty's lot size equal to 75. So that means 31,125 is the profit potential per lot if you can trade positionally with Heikin Ashi and super trend. So this is the power of Heikin Ashi. So I have another setting for super trend. For that setting you can visit my blog post. I have written a complete blog post in my website, and there I have described the full Heikin Ashi settings with the super trend settings. So this is normal super trend settings that I have shown you. This is the normal super trend settings. So this is 10-3 super trend, or you can make it 7-3 super trend, but there is also a secret super trend setting that I have described in my blog post. So here is the link of the blog post. I have given you the link in my website stockmaniacs.net. Do not worry, I'll give you the link in the description of the video. So friends, I'll show you, this is the article. So in stockmaniacs.net you can find this article, how to trade with Heikin Ashi chart pattern. So here I have given a vivid description of the Heikin Ashi, and there are also a secret setting of super trend that can be used on Heikin Ashi for effective trading. Dear friends, if you visit this page, you will find that here is the actual secret super trend settings. So the default, whatever the secret parameters that I have disclosed here. So you need to visit this page to know this setting. So friends, this is how you can use Heikin Ashi with super trend for a prolonged profit. You can take your trades positionally because I don't like trading in smaller time frames like 1 minute, 3 minute, this kind of candles I don't like. So trade at least on the 15 minutes candlestick and you can carry your trades. So if you liked my video, please do subscribe me on YouTube. Before leaving the video, please hit the subscribe button, and once you are subscribed, please do hit the bell icon so that you can get my next video updates instantly. You can also join my trading team. To join me, simply WhatsApp me your name, phone number and email ID and send it to +91 96743 21856. I'll repeat the WhatsApp number once again. It is +91 96743 21856. So friends, thanks a lot for joining me in this webinar. I wish you loads of luck in the coming days and you can use my strategies in your trading successfully. Thanks a lot once again for joining. Bye bye.